D.C. She is just the mother of, basically the mother of revolution. Sister Howell Handy does, she's at the jazz concert, the jazz set, at all of the high schools in Washington, D.C. And I'm just only opening just a part of the iceberg, but I'm just saying, please give that sister a round of applause from going coast to coast. Her and her husband, a dynamite, awesome couple that, I mean, every part of revolution, region, and Africa that you can imagine is in this brother and sister. I just thankful. I'm so surprised to see him, but I'm happy to see him. Please give them a round of applause for them. And for the brother and sister Howard. Thank you so much.
I just feel so relaxed. I just feel like I'm just in myself. I feel so high and just honored. I just feel so relaxed.
Oh, you just so cooled down.
I am.
You were just talking. I love that other energy. I love this energy.
But this is what it did for me. It just relaxed me and helped me to move and motivate me to where I wanted to just do it more and more, to bring me, to calm me down and to charge me back up. I love it. It's wonderful. I'm grateful for it.
Do you feel you have some tools to work with now?
I have some great tools to work with. I have some tools to calm down. I have some tools to build me up. I have some tools to calm my grandchildren down. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Brother, man, I just want to thank you so much for this awesome breathology class that we just attended. I'm Brother Myro from Crash Unity Center of African Spiritual Science. We're here in Los Angeles, California, and we just were honored with my dear brother and his wife here to teach us about breathology. We had a seminar here, and I'm telling you, it was the most magnificent gift you could have to loosen up and to pretend and to watch the breath and to notice where the power is really coming from and how important the breath is. It just opened all of us up, and we got so loose and comfortable with one another, and we got warm and we got calm. And I'm going to take this home and continue this practice because it makes an awesome difference and share with the family. So I give so much thanks and honor to you and your wife, brother. Peace and blessings, and please come see us again. Ashe.